Hey guys, well, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. As I like to do, I love to save the best one for last. Yep, this is it. My 1976 Lakewood S-223 first generation in terracotta orange. On rollabout stand. As y'all know, I originally got the stand with the 1978 S-223 and I wanted to put it on here. As y'all may recall, the stand is not really a Lakewood stand. Looks like the kind usually found on Alaska Galaxy box fans. Yeah, that kind of stand. Anyway, some of y'all that remember, I got this from Cameron S. on the DT Fan forums. Originally, y'all knew him as Mr. Casablanca 92 on YouTube. Well, now he's back on YouTube as the Mr. Casablanca 92. Yep, this is my favorite fan. I guess some of y'all may consider it my flagship fan of my collection. Or whatever y'all want to consider it. But this is my favorite of them all, and my main bedroom fan. And all that. Anyway, I'll give it an overall look around. This is on the stand. I don't have to turn around. I'll just go around like this. Here it is. There's that terracotta orange color we all know and love. As I mentioned before, this color just screams 70s. Go around to the other side. Around to the back. And once again, there's the good old Westinghouse motor. View the top. And the white 3-speed speed sticker. As I might have shown before, it's got these white paint splatters. No biggie on that. No, they're actually all over the top. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's got that gold paint in the bottom and on both sides of the inside. Maybe on the top too. Where you can really see it though is on the feet. Mainly that one right there. But anyway. Well, now I hear it. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Here it is running. It is high. Medium. Low. Yeah, it's kind of a fast low. Or it's not like my 1975 K223, where the speeds truly run high. Anyway, back to high. And off. And this is it, my 1976 first gen Terracotta S-223, which most of y'all may consider as my trademark fan. So thank you for watching, everybody, and good day to all.